Thank you for stopping by my channel, Tasha's Merch Review. If you're new here, I provide review content, hauls, unboxings, and I may throw in a few mukbang reviews. If you're new, I just ask that you do me one little quick favor. Hit that subscribe button below. Hit that bell to be notified so you'll know each and every time I drop a video, which is once a week, every Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you're returning, welcome back. Okay, as you can see in front of me, I am going to unbox a action camera. Now, I cannot pronounce the company's name, so for this video, I'm going to refer to this camera as the Brave 7. Now, this is a action camera that I picked up from Amazon for $169.99. They also had another version, which is the Brave 7 LE, and that one was $139.99. There is some differences between the two. I went on ahead and picked up the more expensive one. So before I get into this unboxing, I'm going to do my unboxing and reviews. Like I always do, I'm going to take a look around the packaging because I believe you can get most of the information that you need to know by looking around the packaging. I will say right out the box, I like the packaging. Now, as you can see here at the top, you have the camera, you have the company name, the name of the camera, which is the Brave 7. And this is a dual color screen and Ipx8 waterproof action camera. This would be an alternate camera to someone who wants to get their feet wet with the action camera, but don't want to pay $300 to $400 for a GoPro. And as you can see, you have a picture of the Brave 7 submerged in water. And at the bottom, it says dual color screen, Ipx8 waterproof camera. It shoots 4K at 30 frames per second. And it has a 20 megapixel camera. I like the black background. On the side here, it says 4K action camera, and you will have to download the app. And on the back, you have the logo. It says, "Go Beyond, trusted by 10 million global community," and it has all their social medias. You have a picture of a diver in the water. And what do you get in the box? You get the action camera, the camera frame, the remote control, the battery charger, a battery, a mount, a helmet mount, a lens cloth, a handlebar mount, a strap, a zip tie, a USB cable, adhesive pad, a spanner, and the quick start guide. So for $169.99, you are getting a whole bunch of accessories right out the box. And then they have the phone number in case you need some help, phone number, and the email address and their website and some more information there. On the opposite side, it says capture the moment with one click, splash proof remote, with the logo here. On the bottom, just some information. And at the top, barcode and the little hangy tag. So far, not bad. Like the packaging. I like that you get to see the camera. And I like that they are providing a whole bunch of accessories. We're going to take this out the box. Let's get this camera in our hands. To open this is a pull at the bottom here. There we go. Come on now. There we go. Pull this on out. And then you have the name of the company here, nothing on the back, and the name of the company on the side. And on the back of the camera, it just tells you exactly, let's see, getting started. We're going to pull off the film of the camera screen, camera lens of the camera, and the waterproof case. Make sure the battery is full of power for the first time use. And format your micro SD card, which is not included. I have a micro SD card. Also, this camera can take up to, and they recommend a Samsung or a SanDisk up to 256 gigabytes. Let's open this here, and this is going to be accessories that they mention on the back of the box here. So let's take a look at each one of these. This is the remote. The remote is up to 33 feet. Has the logo, power button, nice clickable rubber buttons. Okay, so that is the remote. And this is one of the mounts, as you can see here. Now I don't know which ones are which. I'm just going to show you what they look like. I probably won't be using none of these. I am planning on getting a tripod for the Brave 7. But as far as helmet mount, bicycle mount, I won't be using that. I can't believe they give you so much accessories right out the box. Now comment down below if you have a GoPro. Did it come with this many accessories? And you can fast forward if you don't want to see me unbox all these accessories. But this is an unboxing video. So I'm going to unbox everything. And this is the charging cable. No branding on the charging cable. And this is, see what this is. Okay, so it comes with 2 batteries. So that is good. 2 batteries and a battery charger. So this is the battery charger. See if I can get this open. So it comes with the battery charger for both of the batteries. That's excellent. And then a strap here. And then you can register your benefits. and activate your 24-month free warranty. I'll make sure I do that. But that is cute, the little cutout with the camera as the head of the soccer player. Very nice. Giving me a great experience. Make me feel like that I bought a quality product. This is the quick start guide. Front and back. Black, white, and blue. Not full color, but that is okay, because so far the experience has been great unboxing, and with all the accessories you can't go wrong. Here it says take out the silicone rubber protector, give the mount buckle a hard pull, pull backwards to disassemble the camera. Okay, now we need to take the camera off the box. So you take this part off, give it a hard. There you go. Okay, now we have to get it out of this housing. Okay. There we go. So here is the camera, the Brave 7. As you can see, the Brave 7 comes in this gray color. I believe this is the only color that the Brave 7 comes in. At least this was the only color option that was available when I went to purchase the camera. Let's take a look around the camera. You have the name of the company here at the bottom. You have the camera lens, similar to the style of a GoPro. You have a color front-facing display. On the side here, you have a speaker, and here's where you would put in your SD card. And this is the USB Type-C connector. On the bottom here, this is where you would put in the battery. And on this side, you have an up and a down. You would use the down to switch from the back screen to the front screen. And I believe also you will use these to connect your camera to Wi-Fi. And on the back, you have the name of the company. You have some indicator lights. And here you have a 2-inch colored touch screen. And on the top, you have the Wi-Fi indicator. And you have the power on and power off button. Now the Brave 7 is Ipx8 Waterproof, which means that you can swim, snorkel, and surf up to 16 feet if you're in water, without having an external waterproof case. Has a 6-axis anti-shake technology. Has a 170-degree super wide angle. It also supports 70, 110, and 140 viewing angles. So far the specs on this camera is awesome for the price. The build quality is awesome. It actually looks like a much more expensive camera. You can also use majority of the GoPro accessories with this camera. So what I'm going to do is I am going to turn it on so that you can see the back display and the front display. So to turn it on, you just hit this button here. Okay, so this is the back display. Now I'm going to show you the front display. To do that, you just hold down the down button. And as you can see, that is the front display. And to bring it back to the back, hit that down button and it's back. I'm not going to go into all the settings, but just know it has 4x slow motion, time lapse, loop recording, time photos, still photos. Will also correct image distortion. It has voice control. For the price, I think the Brave 7 is a great option. A great alternative to some of those more expensive action cameras that are on the market. The Brave 7 is giving you the same, if not more. Right out the box, you are given 2 batteries, a battery charger, and an endless amount of mounts for the camera. It gives so many options. Also, you have 3x zoom. If you turn, this will zoom the video or the picture. I mean, the possibilities are endless. The Brave 7 makes sure that whatever content that you create, the Brave 7 makes sure you have all the tools that you need to create quality video and quality photos. Now, what I didn't show you is the housing that comes with the Brave 7. I thought that this was just something to protect the camera while it was in the box, but it's really a housing so that when you use your different mounts, you can use them to connect to the cameras. So this is the housing, and as you can see, it has holes for the speaker. You're able to access the SD card and the USB Type-C port. Also, you're able to access the up and down and the power on and off. And then here is where you would unscrew this and connect your different mounts. So that was another great thing that the Brave 7 had. So I'm going to take it out of this housing. So this has been my unboxing of the Brave 7, purchased from Amazon for $169.99. You will get to see how good this camera is in my next video. I will shoot my next video with this camera, so you will have to come on back to the next video to see exactly how well this Brave 7 shoots. If you have made it this far in the video, I thank you for watching. If you have yet to subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Hit that bell to be notified. Please make sure you like, comment, and share this video with each and every one you know. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.